Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video,
we're gonna be watching the newest
Chainsaw Massacre movie.
We have seen the first one here in the channel.
Yes.
We have the reaction. It was our first movie reaction, I think, in the channel. And we were very disgusted by the whole thing. We didn't expect the movie to be so
Gross.
and
weird.
Yeah. We didn't know it was about that. I mean, we knew it was like a man with a chainsaw, but we didn't know there was cannibalism and stuff.
And now we will watch this one and we know what's gonna happen more or less. Maybe they will change some things.
I don't know, but is this the same one? Is this, I don't
Apparently
know what
it
this is.
Because a lot of people haven't seen the old one.
And are watching this one.
Yes.
Okay, so I guess it's not a continuation.
No,
it's this like
so.
a reboot type of thing. So let's see what happens here. Is this starting like the old one?
Yes, no, I don't want to see the old videos, please. Or maybe they're watching the old one. Like
the movie.
1973.
Oh, so it's not like
Of the 5 young
a remake.
victims on that day.
Oh wow.
Look at her. She survived. I forgot that she survived.
Yes, same. And Jerry.
Jerry's in our hearts, and for us, he survived.
Yes.
He was so alive. Ooh, unsolved murders. I love watching that type of things.
Same.
And what year is this supposed to be? Because this is not the present.
I think it
like
is though. I read in the summary influencers. So
the influencers?
I just read that word and I was like, what?
Maybe Leatherface is a
Whatever happened to her?
To that maniac for more than 30, 40 years.
So,
But we saw
Not
his
easy to
face.
locate someone if you don't know what they look like.
We did? No.
Yes.
We saw the father,
It's
the
true.
brother,
It's true, it's true.
and the grandma.
hey, they need to walk around in public with a fucking gun.
They should be commenting these things so loud with somebody with a gun next to them. That's creepy.
I've seen bigger.
I like this part. And this guy is weird.
Autopilot?
Are they gonna find someone in the road? Wait,
She was
she was
shot.
shot.
What a way to show it. They are influencers.
Oh, the guy.
Hattie.
Howdy. Ooh,
The chef. We both are.
that's fun.
You know who else he
Don't process because they cook.
Is the grandma the girl who survived?
When Harlow's sunflower blooms.
I don't know. They were like,
Yeah.
is she alive? Does she exist?
Yeah,
What happened?
true.
I think they would know.
Woohoo! Oh wow. It's empty. Oh, she's a singer.
She has changed professions.
Oh.
Look, we could put a comic book store in here or something cool.
So they're buying the entire town?
Yeah,
So
that's
confused.
very weird. Do you have
We
the
didn't-
money?
We didn't listen before, I guess.
I don't think they said. Who is that? Oh my god.
What is he doing here?
He lives here.
I contract him now.
Oops.
If the building's not gonna buy. Trust me.
I'm getting the cowboy.
Oh, I'm confused.
No.
I don't know what that flag is. I guess it's a bad flag. Orphanage.
Oh no.
I'm going upstairs.
Alone? Wait, whatever. I wanna get killed.
They don't know it's a scary movie, so.
Is this a house?
I think
No.
so.
But it was in the middle. It wasn't in the middle of a town.
What are you doing in our house?
Ah. Sorry.
I put my face on.
You're what on?
Maybe they are. She's the one of the crazy family.
Sweetie,
The flag is still
I've
there.
been running.
Property months ago.
Oh.
You're not supposed to be here.
Kicking her out of her own. So you're not supposed to be here. Howdy.
It's been settled.
Oh.
I killed
paid
them.
everything.
Do you mind if we see that?
Oh, she's so annoying.
Yes, she is.
It's because you don't have it.
Ah. That's rude.
They're both
Like,
stupid.
excuse me, it's her house.
I don't have a problem with Negroes.
Oh.
Oh, it's a flag. I'm gonna.
Fucking shit.
Stand your free.
Oh. We didn't know. Oh my god.
She's gonna die.
Baby, I'm fine.
Christ, Judy, why are you still here?
Oh.
What did you do?
Now she's not gonna take care of Leatherface.
Oh no.
And he's gonna be out and about.
What is happening? Melody, and it can't be you.
Oh my god. She's gonna die. He took it off. Look.
No, that's not.
Oh. Burn it.
I know that you need me and that you can't take care of yourself.
Excuse me?
She's dying. That means he's not doing anything to help. I mean, he didn't do anything to help.
What is she supposed to do?
If he sees she's like, give her the air before she dies or something.
They don't care.
I guess, but now that man is like Leatherface is gonna go crazy. This woman who's been helping him dies.
Oh no. With me, like a shark.
He's killing him with his own arm, with his bone.
Brady's brunch. Brunch.
I want the house
This was built in
where the cuckoo
1910.
people live.
One
I don't like this girl, I'm sorry.
You're gonna show him your wonder woman.
Look at this.
Is it loaded?
Check it out. Poor girl, I don't know what happened to her. He's gonna teach her to shoot, and now she's gonna shoot.
So
Leatherface.
romantic.
Been shot at.
Ay.
Oh my god.
I can only disappoint them.
Same. I'm kidding.
Please stick around for music and drinks. We have a lot to celebrate.
Sounds like a rap.
Yes, I was gonna say her rubbing. So guys, what kind of
Nah,
option now? That was a great.
The old lady just died. She only said the old lady just died. She didn't say the other parts.
Oh, we did it. What a dream.
What?
I guess she wrote it when she
Oh.
died, and then everything happened.
Damn.
It's your fault. I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
Damn.
Alright.
That's all you have to say.
He didn't know her.
Just leave right now, okay? Can you do that? Please?
Yeah.
That was she was hoping for. She was like, I want to leave.
Yes.
Did you see his face?
He was like,
He was so angry. He was like, you're taking her away from this, please.
if he's cuckoo, I don't care. I still like him.
Because
But
he's
not
pretty.
not this kind of crazy, please. Play that, play that.
Yes, you
I don't want to see another gross thing, please.
just to run, right? Run a bit.
No, it's worse if she runs.
But it
Because he's gonna be like,
more
oh,
fun.
like in the old movie. Can you stop?
You should wait until this is all over.
Why are people in
When they answer,
stupid?
they're gonna answer super loudly. Howdy, are you alright? Who's supposed to be here?
the dead people?
They're all dead.
Is he cutting her
He's
face?
still
Is he
busy.
cutting her face?
He's gonna put it on. He's like the whispers from The Walking Dead.
Copycat.
The other
he
way
was
around.
before. Yeah. Ew, 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 ew. What's so disgusting? He's like,
Where was he before? She's been talking for a minute. Pretend. Stop moving.
she plays that very badly.
Yes, yeah, she like
She's
just
like-
turn around. Oops.
Can you not show me, please? Stop! Oh my.
Wait. What are you gonna see? He's right there, taking a body, and you're just gonna leave?
I hate silences so much.
What? She's gonna drive now?
No!
Oh no, she's gonna go in the window.
Oh my god.
She's like,
so
I have
stupid,
so many
stop
brain
it.
cells, I'm not gonna use any of them.
Stop!
I mean,
She's so stupid.
we
No.
try to tell you, but I guess you're in the movie and you cannot hear us for some reason. Ew!
What's happening? I don't want to
You
look.
put the knife and then like moved it.
In the organs.
Yes. Oh, she's crying.
I don't like this movie.
She feels bad about
It's so
it.
gross.
It's like, girl.
Is it human? No. It's the other part. This movie is gross.
Influencers
This movie
party.
is gross. Oh, he was worried.
What the fuck are you doing?
Or was he?
No, he doesn't want her to leave.
Kill that lady. We need to just give us
He looks pretty like this.
He is pretty.
Be in the shop.
Oops. No, they
Can I
cannot
come
leave.
with you?
I'm calling for Hardesty.
Aww.
Sure, I'll hold it.
Okay, I wasn't expecting. Why are we watching this movie?
Put in a wig. Oh no. What?
That's the woman from the first movie, I
This is gonna be full of bodies.
guess. You get too close.
We're supposed to be focused.
Yes, sorry, we're playing this thing. Is that the room? I'm sorry, I'm not gonna do it anymore. But we shouldn't be worried right now, right? Because
No.
Leatherface is
Yeah.
not here.
Maybe he will come
He's
here.
in the
He
middle of,
killed already someone.
but he cannot be here yet. Texas warranty property title. She does have the title. Oh my god, you're so stupid.
The knife is gone.
There was a knife there?
Yes. I swear.
I guess you're gonna be sliced and diced.
I'm.
Oopsie.
What did I do?
It's Leatherface. It was like the first movie when like they were taking them into the room. Ooh! He's dead. Oh no, he's alive.
No! Get out of the window, like, jump. Oh my god. Is she gonna wear a dress?
He? Leatherface? Why not?
Or he's sad because of the grandma?
He fits it.
He's
Yeah.
sad. Is he gonna go on a killing spree?
Probably.
At least he doesn't kill her.
Everybody's leaving?
Good.
Is she screaming for? Oh,
Shut up! Oh my
No,
god!
she's locked inside. She has to leave the town.
The worst places, you hide under the bed. No, you could do anything else.
I mean, but you have to be fast. He's alive. He's like Jerry. Oh, they're having the party inside
The bus?
The bus. They didn't invite this man.
No, please, I don't want him to die. We didn't see that, right?
Why is he trying to bite him? Is he a zombie?
Did he? Pam!
No, I didn't see things. Cause he was inside the door, so we saw like bits.
I didn't saw anything because I was like this.
No. Oh, you're gonna go inside and kill it?
Now she's gonna be grateful
Kill
for
him?
that gun. Is he gonna survive and have this huge scar?
He just died. He was like this.
He was like,
He was like.
but that's being alive. That's being alive.
The
chainsaw!
Like, what happened? So the woman put it inside, but she told him to be nice.
I understand this
She was
story,
like,
to
you
be
have to
honest.
be nice.
Please,
He's
for
he's
me.
inside. He's hiding. They're all
Oh,
in the
yeah.
room. He's gonna shoot her?
No, she's gonna show him.
He's feeling like a crazy person. We like this. He's killing. But why is she not moving from him?
But now he saw her go.
Yeah, he has to have seen it. Why is she not moving and helping this man? She's like a bit down.
Oh no!
Oh, table!
It's broken! Yes, I saw the glass and I didn't want to look. What did he do?
He like shoved him into the glass, so he's dead. He's dead. He's dying. It was very pretty. Why did this in the middle of the movie? He's taking something out of his pocket. Keys. The keys for the.
Oh. Ew! That's not necessary.
He was like, he was too pretty. So he
Jealous.
killed him.
But then,
Like that.
he shouldn't kill him that hard because I would want his face, you know, so.
Sure. But he already has a face and he put makeup on. He's like, I'm pretty now. I want his face.
She's gonna see the grandma without her face. That's a bit. Maybe he buried her.
Wait, was the grandma? Oh, I didn't know. I thought it was the other cop's face.
No, that's why he was sad and putting makeup. Because he loves her.
I understand now. That's cute. I mean, they're not cute.
I mean,
Poor man.
in a weird way, it's cute, you know. Follow the lead, but be careful. What if she like recognizes her and he's like, I should stop killing? No, it's not gonna
I
happen.
should stop
I should
killing.
stop killing.
Super gorgeous.
She's so pretty.
And he left her there sitting. You know, we were like,
It's like the decoration.
there. Yeah. It's like,
She's like,
And
so
it-
alternative.
yeah, like looking out the window when it's raining.
That
and
would
you
be
can
me, like imagining a music video. Girl, don't be stupid.
Fuck this. Where are you gonna go? To the house? Alone?
Stupid people deserve to die, so it's okay if she dies now.
You
She's
shouldn't
not
walk in
being
like
smart.
this. She's
If
very
someone
rude.
tells you don't go out, what do you do?
No, she saw it. What is she gonna do about it? Cry?
I would. I would wait under the bed for hours.
For hours?
I
He would come back.
I wouldn't be as brave as her. I would be like,
I would have cried from the beginning, so he would have heard.
you're so stupid.
But
And you deserve to die.
for looking at me.
Because I'm scared and I want to look. What did he do?
He threw the axe at her
It
and
hit
she
her?
flew.
It hit her?
I think so.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Stop screaming, it's gonna kill you where you are. Ooh! You, what is that? Who? They're dead? Ah, they're sleeping.
What? It's very. This tree is very big.
Ah, yes. Didn't look that big from
It doesn't look big. We're gonna die. Might as well die dancing. Oh yes, it's big. It didn't look that big.
What is going on? Why is he having trouble driving? He's drunk? Oh no, they broke The tires or
No, or he maybe.
or the wheels?
No! Why is everyone so stupid? I mean, I would be stupid
door is
too, I
open.
guess, but close the door. She cannot die. She's... Oh no, everyone's gonna die now. And this music.
The influencers. Oh my god.
Oh, influencing that.
Yeah, like
I wanna go.
I wanna go.
That
This is
looks
so
so
fake.
fake.
Somebody said that could be you.
Yes,
It looks
basically.
so fake.
That looks so fake. Ole, ole! Oh, a leg! Oh no, she's having a flashback.
Of course she is like
She's gonna die.
everybody's dying because somebody's killing them. Like this is very familiar to her right now.
It's worse.
That's so much blood. But I mean there's a lot of people dying brutally, so
This is so fake. No, please don't kill her. She's
she
pretty.
has to survive.
She's pretty. Don't kill her.
Almost!
Ole, ole!
I can't deal with
Civil
organs.
organs.
Shut up. I can with all organs.
On. Is this the girl? Yeah. What was her name? Nina. No.
I don't remember either.
I don't remember Jerry.
Jerry. Jerry's the only name I remember. That
Same.
movie.
Is she gonna kill
Sally.
Sally?
It's you that he wants.
Oh,
She wants to revenge.
but at least she saved you. Like she put you in somewhere safe.
No, because she said he wants to stay here. So she will use them as bait.
She is. But have we this woman? Because we haven't seen the rest of the movies. Explain to us. Is she in the other movies? Does she appear?
Oh, there's more movies. Kill him now.
They're gonna have a turn.
Why?
Turn around.
Why?
Every now and then. Need you more than ever.
Jerry!
Jerry! Getting the recognition.
Can you kill him now, please? She had the chance to kill him and she didn't use it.
Because she wants to get closure. Oh, he doesn't remember. He's a bit nuts.
Why is?
He
I
doesn't
don't
wanna-
understand why he doesn't want to kill her.
Because now he's mad because these people are buying the
Oh,
but and killed.
but all the
That
people
woman.
who were.
They were gonna.
How does he know that?
He heard it. This place is ours now.
Well, maybe some of them were just like
They
partying.
were together so.
Like, he's scared.
He literally let her leave. He's running. Ah! Ah!
Oh no.
Is that a bullet? Bullets? I don't understand.
She was stupid. She should have said, "I'm no one."
Sally died.
No.
She's alive.
Maybe she survives again. That's
How is she gonna survive?
impossible.
He literally like put her up and like.
She's Sally. This girl is gonna be so traumatized. First the shooting and
She
now
was
this.
already traumatized and was like double trauma.
He's so slow. No, they just need to talk, so he was like, I'm gonna give them some time.
He's gonna forgive her. He's leaving. He's leaving. She's gonna open her eyes and he's not there anymore. Leatherfuck? Oh god. Ah! I thought I killed her already.
Ole! So fake. But Ole!
Very confused. This is not real. How is she alive?
No, she dies dramatically.
She's gonna get closer. She's gonna see him die. Is she? She's not getting closer. She's dying.
Oh wow. He's a bull! I thought it was like a call.
Oh my god! Ah, her nails. She's like scratching. I mean, your sister Melody or whatever her
Oh
name
my
is
lord.
coming, isn't she?
What is she remembering?
She's not remember. She's like accepting.
No, the sister's gonna come.
That's what I said. I think the sister is coming. She was like trying to take the thing off her leg.
Or maybe she does something. Maybe she's giving up.
This girl is giving up, but not the other one.
Look, oh no, the sister's dying. Come on, you. He's so dramatic.
He's still giving. He's like shot. Okay, now. Oh! They're gonna kill him with the chainsaw.
Sure.
Looks sad. They're living in a car. They had a car all along and they didn't live with a car. I was like, why are they so happy? I didn't understand. Like,
There's some people they have to make sure.
it's an accident!
It's an autopilot.
Ah, I see. Yes, there's something after the credits. Is he coming back with the other woman? To his house. This is the house.
Yes.
So he's back. Girl, are you unimpressed?
Should I be impressed?
You didn't like it.
Obviously.
Why?
Did you like it?
Yes.
Like it or
Yes.
like not bad?
Liked it.
Like you would watch it again?
No, I don't have to watch it again because I liked it. I watch movies many times
If you love them,
if I love them. I liked it.
you have bad taste. Everyone's gonna say that, I'm sure.
It was good. Like, the kills were good. They...
Were they good?
Yes. Girl, you couldn't look at any of them. I thought they were original, they were crazy. The scene in the bus, that was crazy.
It was fake.
Things like, big things happened,
and the
like
pig-
Sally died.
the-
They killed Sally in this movie.
The pig was fake too.
So? The change at the end that you think that Leatherface might have died, you know he's not dead because maybe there's another movie, but that the fact that he comes back when they're in the car like, yeah, okay, well, we
It's not realistic because you would hear the chainsaw before.
He didn't turn it on. Does he have it to have it on all the time?
I don't know.
There's a button. Well, there's not a button, there's like a thing, right?
It doesn't make any sense. And her being alive after getting a chainsaw.
Yeah, that was dramatic. I mean,
No,
that
it
was,
was
like
fake.
that was like I have been killed, but I'm alive to tell you this. We don't know what happens to the other girl who's leaving. I guess she leaves traumatized forever.
What girl?
The sister
Mm.
with the autopilot. I thought she was
No, it
crashing.
would
I
be
thought,
about
like,
her, I
"Ah!"
guess.
Probably.
Because the Sally said he will haunt you. I think it's a very bad movie.
What are your reasons?
This movie is just him killing people. I don't
That's what
find
the
that
change.
entertaining.
That's what these movies are about. The
Yes, but-
chainsaw.
But the first
The
one
girl.
was more weird, so it was like, what's happening? And this one is
Mhm.
like,
Yeah, I mean there was no cannibalism in this movie, which I was expecting to happen because I thought that was what these movies were about now. Vampire.
The first one was
grandpa.
really creepy. Really
Yeah,
weird.
it was very creepy. I
And
mean,
this one is just him killing people, like it taking forever to kill
Yes.
everyone. Excuse me.
I think it was
hate
good.
it.
Of course, the first one I think was better, because of the originality.
Yes.
But I think this wasn't a bad horror movie. I liked it.
She has bad taste.
I think I have good taste.
No, it needed a little something more. Just what was happening, death. What else? And it's something more to get entertained. I don't think it's
Yeah.
entertaining seeing people die, to be honest.
Right.
But well, but I liked the shots and everything. It was beautiful, cinematographically speaking. If you enjoyed it, I won't judge you because everyone has their taste, you know.
Thank you. Before we say goodbye and everything.
Oh, thank you for
Oh yes!
thank you for 1,000 subscribers.
That's a lot.
It's so weird because
We didn't
we
think we
don't
would get
expect it,
this.
no.
Like when we uploaded the other Texas Chainsaw Massacre,
we were
to give you like an image.
not even a
We had like
thousand, not even 100.
We had like 50 subscribers. We were like, oh my god, we have 50.
We were
people.
celebrating 50
like 50
people.
people are subscribed. Like what? Oh my god!
Yes,
And now we have 1,000.
and 20.
So
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for everybody who
and for
subscribed.
liking us. Well, I don't know if you like us. I hope
They
so.
probably hate us.
And thank you for commenting. We love comments so much.
And what I was gonna say
Yeah, sorry.
was another thing that's super different. On March 1st,
Oh yes.
Scream is coming to digital. So
She has watched it 1,000 times.
I've seen it a million times.
I've seen it 0 times.
I've gone to cinema so many times.
I
The people
almost
at the
see
cinema,
spoilers.
like every time I go, they're like, "Hi," and I always go with my ghost face mask, which is creepy. But well, the thing is that she hasn't seen it,
No.
and we're gonna watch
I
it
hope I don't
together
see spoilers.
here in the channel.
Yes.
I haven't told her anything, and in the video I'll try to compose myself and not comment stuff that is going to happen because I tend to get excited or cry before things happen. I won't do that. That's something that's coming.
Yes.
And The Walking Dead, as always.
So, tell us in the comments Do you like the movie? Do you not like the movie? Tell us why.
And tell us what's your favorite Chainsaw Massacre movie from the franchise. We have only seen the first one and the last one, but
If you want to
tell us
recommend one
any,
of
and
them,
we can watch it at some point.
yes.
So this
It
was all for this video.
We hope you liked it. If you did, like and comment.
Subscribe.
And subscribe. Yes.
Yeah, we'll see you in our next video. You do.
Do it now. Do it now. Do it now.